name's Garner.
Oh, nice to meet you.
Thank you.
I stopped by here earlier just to check out the what he got.
Do what now?
I stopped by every off and on to check out what he got up here.
Right. Good.
And alright. Oh, it's got something good coming along. Does he restore these himself?
What now? They're all for sale. Yeah.
Yeah. Does he restore them himself?
Yeah. If there's anything needs, he doesn't do any of the. He buys them.
Oh, he buys them.
Or he leaves them. People leave here to when he buys one himself, he doesn't have to need upholstery's good or he won't buy it. I know that. But on the others, they park and sell. They park them here till he can sell them.
Well, I wish I could buy this one, but I just.
Oh yeah, for that.
For that type of job.
Yeah.
So I just can't.
That was a long time ago.
Yeah.
Good job though, and good pay and
exactly.
good promotion.
Yeah, I decided to leave my old job and come work as a new. But yeah, this is. I have to say, I don't know where he finds these cars, but they are very nice.
Oh yeah. Yeah, he doesn't work on them. He finds nice, or he won't find them.
Oh.
A long time ago in your business, he did, but you can spend an awful lot of money.
Yeah. I can understand that because it took. I paid nearly half of what I purchased on this Magnum, put wherever I want on there.
Yeah, that's
and
what
it takes a lot of money.
It does. It does.
Well, it's nice seeing you again, sir.
Okay, good.
Take care.
I'm around here a lot. Help him out.
All right.
Stuff like
I'll
that.
see you around.
I will see you. Okay.
All right. Take care.